Buying a window air conditioner is the easy part, but installing it correctly is what keeps it safe, efficient, and ready to cool your room. Let's walk through the process step by step. Before you begin, unpack the unit and confirm that all the installation parts are included. This model comes with adjustable side panels, mounting hardware, a remote control, and the accessories needed for a standard window installation. Next, measure your window to make sure it's compatible with the included installation kit. This Amazon Basics model is designed for standard double-hung windows. Take a minute to clean the windowsill and inspect the frame. A clean, sturdy surface allows the air conditioner to sit securely and helps create a better seal once everything is installed. Now attach the expandable side panels to each side of the cabinet using the supplied hardware. Make sure they're firmly secured before lifting the air conditioner into place. Lift the air conditioner carefully and guide it into the window opening. Since the unit weighs over 40 pounds, having another person assist can make installation safer and easier. Position the unit so the bottom mounting rail sits securely on the windowsill. Then center it before moving on. Taking a few extra seconds here helps everything line up correctly during the next steps. Slowly lower the upper window sash until it fits snugly into the top channel of the air conditioner. This locks the unit into position and improves overall stability. Extend both side panels until they reach the window frame, then fasten them securely. These panels help block outside air while supporting a cleaner, more finished installation. Finish this stage by installing the foam weather seal, plugging the air conditioner directly into a grounded 115-volt wall outlet, and pressing the power button. The digital display should illuminate, letting you know the unit is ready for setup and testing. To finish the installation, attach the included window lock or retaining bracket. This helps keep the upper window sash securely in place while the air conditioner is operating. Now double-check every mounting screw and gently test the unit by hand. It should feel stable without shifting or rocking inside the window frame. Step outside if it's safe to do so, and make sure the rear of the air conditioner has open space around it. For electrical safety, always plug the air conditioner directly into a properly grounded 115-volt wall outlet. Before regular use, remove the washable air filter to confirm it's installed correctly. Cleaning this filter regularly helps maintain strong airflow and consistent cooling performance. Now power on the unit using the digital control panel or the included remote control. Select cool mode, choose your preferred temperature, and adjust the fan speed until the room feels comfortable. After the unit has been running for a few minutes, check around the window for any air leaks. If you notice warm air entering, adjust the side panels or weather seal to improve the fit. Don't forget to keep the outdoor vents clear throughout the cooling season. Leaves, furniture, or other objects blocking the rear of the unit can reduce efficiency and make the air conditioner work harder. If you hear unusual vibration or rattling, switch the unit off and inspect the installation. Recheck that the cabinet is centered, the window sash is fully seated, and all mounting hardware is tightened securely. Your Amazon Basics 6000 BTU window air conditioner is now installed and ready to cool rooms up to 250 square feet. If this guide helped you, consider subscribing for more easy-to-follow home appliance installation and maintenance tutorials.